My name's Andrew Seifter. I'm the co-founder of restofseasonrankings.com, ROSrankings.com, and the co-host of the Rest of Season Rankings Fantasy Sports Podcast. And I just want to take a moment to tell all of you how highly I recommend Hamid and the rest of the team at HTML Pro. We had my co-host Lauren Arbach and I had a vision for the website that we wanted to create, and Hamid's team worked diligently with us throughout the entire process. There's a lot of data input involved in our site. We had to create a special WordPress add-on for sortable rankings, and we had a lot of input about what we wanted the site to look like and how users could navigate the site. And Hamid and his team were very responsive the whole way through. Always first class and professional to work with, and they never got tired of all my questions, and we created the site that we were really hoping to create, and we're very proud of it. So I can't recommend Hamid and his team highly enough. If you're looking to create a site, they're a great group of people to work with. Thanks a lot.